Hi everybody, my name's Nicole and I'm an educator for Pure Nails. So I'm going to do a quick video on my 5 top favourite products this month. And I've gone a little overboard, so I'm going to do 6 products instead. So my first is the Halo Polibuild in sheer pink is my favourite. I love the colour of it. I love this system because it's so easy to use, there's no hurry. It files like an absolute dream as well. And to go with it, the liquid control. This smells like watermelons and everybody always compliments on this. So that's my first favourite. My second one is my Prep and Scrub. Again, smells like apricots. So all my clients love things with a little scent on them. And to go with this is my plush brush, which I use all of the time. So I squirt this onto the nail and then I scrub it in with me plush brush, and this gets rid of all the dust around the cuticles, ready for your colour application. And my fourth is the cuticle oil. So I love this big handy tub as well, and it has got the droplet on the top of it to drop straight onto your client's nails. I love the smell of that as well. And my last one is Halo EasiBuild in Cover Pink. So I love the Cover Pink because you can just put it straight on the nail, file and top coat, and it has a beautiful colour. Or you can go ahead and put on your gel polish. So that is my 5 favourite products this month. Thank you!